John Conley here again. So yesterday I skipped working out at all because the night before I went rucking. Rucking's where you wear a weighted backpack. I had 50 pounds on my back, and that was too big of a jump from what I was carrying. We did 2 miles in just about 41 minutes, and it was a bit much for my middle back between my shoulder blades and my hip, my one hip. So took yesterday as a rest day, which you kind of got to do anyway. You need rest days. But today I'm getting ready to work out again, and I want to show you sort of an all-in-one, I consider it a compound move, where you are doing basically a deadlift, curl, and then a press with one cinder block. And like I said, the cinder blocks, these are 40 pounds. They range anywhere from 38 to 41 pounds for an 8-inch block. It depends on who makes it, what the material is, yada yada yada. You can use just about anything you want. Actually, here, let me show you. Notifications. Okay, so just a regular patio block. These are about, I want to say these were just about 18 pounds. So basically, you start feet just past shoulder width apart. Keep some flex in your knees. Bring your weight, let it hang in your fingers to here. And then you're gonna stand up, curl it to here, press it overhead. Back, down, and again. Not too bad at all. Dylan. You did it with these, right? Okay. Alright, remember what I showed you?
From here?
Yep, hold on, I'll do it with you. Just watch him. Feet a little further apart. You're going to bend at the knees and your back. Just letting it kind of hang. Now look. And then you come up. Curl to here. Up. Down. Alright. You can do like 8 more of those if you want. Your brother will catch up in a minute. Now the cinder blocks are going to take a little bit more oomph, technical term. So I can't always just muscle it up. So part of it is sort of doing a clean, like a clean movement is where you would get it all the way to here. But I want to include my biceps, almost like a curl into it. So I'm going to slow it down just enough that I can get them all in one. So basically I'm working my core, a little bit of legs by doing the deadlift part, the curl up, and then the shoulder press. So you're working shoulders, still working biceps, a little bit of back, upper chest. So I let the weight hang. No, see, I shouldn't do that. Clean, up. You don't want to rock too much. You don't want to use your belly, which mine's getting flatter, in case you haven't noticed. You don't want to use your belly and your back to muscle that up. You want to try to use, forgot to turn my notifications off. Anyway, you want to try to use as much of your core and your arms as you can. Up, up, up. And this adds a little bit more weight when you're curling. Getting pissed off, man. This adds a little more difficulty when you're curling this block because of the weight hanging out in front of you. So it's probably worth a little more than 40. Son of a bitch. Give me that time. Sorry about the skipping around. Forgot to turn my notifications off, so I just started fresh. So I started to tell you, having that half of the cinder block hanging out when you come up adds more resistance than the regular 40 pounds would. So I don't know what it equates to, but it's definitely more challenging. So deadlift, curl, press. Keep your elbows tucked in tight. Keep your chin up too. When you do a deadlift, you want to pick a focus point out in front of you up high. I'm looking at a box on the telephone pole across the street. When you keep your chin up, it keeps you from rolling your back most of the time, unless you're using too much weight. Breathe out on your exertions. Inhale, inhale. That's it, guys. You can use cinder blocks, patio blocks, milk jugs, anything you want. For the rough stuff like cinder blocks and other things, I don't generally use gloves for a lot of stuff, but I got some cheap Walmart work gloves. You know, I don't mind my hands getting a little calloused again. I mean, they were tough as nails when I did construction. You see my face? But you know, I make soap for a living now, so I don't want to totally tear them up. You know, I'll probably take the gloves off when I do my farmer's walks and stuff like that. But yeah, try it, guys. Soup cans, milk jugs. You can use milk jugs for all of it. Start with them halfway full. Do the same moves, okay? And then when you feel comfortable with the form, keeping your form right, staying lined up the way you should be, then you can add some more water to them, add more weight. Each milk jug is going to be about 8 pounds when it's full of water. Yeah, and then when you get more comfortable with more weight in your form again, add a patio block, anything. So, all right, guys, keep at it. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it.